Watch villagers rescue a trapped elephant with an excavator. Splashing signals its desperate fight in the deep, muddy village well. It battles a steep, muddy bank as voices promise a swift rescue. An excavator arm lowers with care toward the frightened, waterlogged friend. The excavator bucket nudges the elephant gently, steering its path out. With its trunk, the elephant explores the bucket, wary of strange metal. The machine withdraws briefly, then digs anew, carving a smooth exit. The elephant pauses and watches as the rescue plan takes shape. It eyes the freshly carved ramp, readying itself for the tough climb. It tests the muddy ground before starting a careful, slow climb upward. With determination, it scrambles up the muddy path towards freedom. Firecrackers spark its dash as it charges into lush green woods.